Welcome back. The corporate conversations continue. The next company on our radar is Max Estates. Now, their Gurugram project witnessed pre-sales booking value of 4,100 crore within 30 days of launch. To talk about this, and of course, a lot of fundraising going on now within the company as well. And the growth outlook, of course, has to be discussed. We have Rishi Raj, Chief Operating Officer, Max Estates, with us. Rishi, thank you very much for joining in. Okay, so lots to talk. What do we start with? Let's talk about the response that you've got to this Gurugram project. I think you've already revised the gross development value from 4,000 to 4,800. So is it fully sold out? And would you be revising the numbers even higher? How strong is the demand in the region?
Thank you, Surabhi, for having me in your show. Estate 360, just for your audience, is Delhi NCR's first and truly first intergenerational residential development at scale. The response to this product has been phenomenal. As you said, pre-launch, we gave the guidance of 4,000 crore of booking value in FY25. Given the response, we have already booked 4,100 crore and collected 400 crores from that booking, which is roughly 10% of the booking value. And given the response, we are revising 100% booking value guidance to 4,800 crore to be done in FY25. So this is, in summary, the response to Estate 360. Over to you.
Been fully sold, or do you still have some units remaining?
We have some units remaining. That's why the total 100% booking value guidance is now 4,800 crore, of which 4,100 crore has already been booked, which, given the market, is a phenomenal response.
Okay. Rishi, hi, good morning. Prashant here. So
Hi,
what does that do to overall pre-sales for the year, FY25?
Right. So if you look at, Prashant, we entered residential a year back in FY24 with our launch of Noida project called Estate 128, which was 100% sold in July 2023. Booking value was 1,800 crore, pre-sales booking value. For this year, the total guidance is 4,800 crore from this project, and we expect to now launch Tower 4 in Estate 128, which will add to another 800 crores of booking value. So total booking value will be in the range of 5,500 to 5,600 crores.
Okay. So pre-sales of 55 to 5,600 crores in FY25, right?
That's right.
What will, and you know, as you said, you've just entered the residential space, and you've got a strong pipeline on the residential. We'll come to commercial in a bit, but on the residential side, you've got a strong pipeline. What are the numbers going to look like in 26, in 27? Because, I mean, I'm assuming you're sort of obviously planning ahead.
Absolutely. So Prashant, again, just to give a bit of context to your audience, if you look at Max Estates, today we have a portfolio of 12 million square foot. I would like to break that portfolio for the audience. 2 million is delivered. 6 million is under construction between 2 commercial and 2 residential, Estate 128, Estate 360 that we just launched. And another 4 million is under design, which we have already acquired. And our guidance to the market is that we will continue to add at least 3 million square foot every year to our development pipeline. And that's where the focus is going to be, which will help us increase our booking value from where we are and grow that booking value in coming years. I'm not giving any specific guidance, but needless to say, with this operating guidance of adding 3 million, 2 million in residential and 1 million in commercial, that booking value is going to grow year on year. Also, what I would like to add is of this 3 million, 1 million is roughly commercial on an average. Today, we are sitting on 4 to 4.5 million square foot of commercial. Our annuity rental income today is around 125 crores. But when the entire commercial portfolio, which we already have, is built and leased, this has an annuity rental portfolio potential of almost 450 to 500 crores, which will further grow as we add to our commercial portfolio.
By when is this, Rishi? 450 to 500 crores?
That is in next 3 to 5 years.
Okay, and you didn't answer the question on pre-sales in 26 and 27. As you launch new projects and you come up with these, you put them out in the market. What will the numbers look like? If, of course, the demand for luxury real estate stays strong. Of course, that's a big if, and we'll see. But what will the numbers look like from 5,500 crores in 25? Where do you go next year?
Yeah, as I said, not giving any specific guidance, but needless to say, if you look at what we already have in the portfolio, and I'm not talking about what we will be acquiring through the QIP capital and the capital that we have raised, we already have acquired 18.23 acres of land contiguous to Estate 360, which has a development potential of 4 million square foot and which has got total gross development value potential of 9,000 crore. So we will be launching that in phases starting next financial year. And to that, we will be adding additional acquisitions that we will be doing in the residential space, which will grow this booking value in the coming years.
Okay. Rishi, that's on the business side. Let's also talk about this QIP that you've done. I think you've raised around 800 crores. So tell us what's the end use of funds? And also on the project side, I mean, the investments that you've got from, Max Life, New York Life. Will we see more of that? Will we see more of that in projects? Are talks underway? So give us the thought on funding, both QIP, the money that's coming in the company, as well as more such sort of equity tie-ups on a project-to-project basis.
Yeah. So, Surabhi, we have built now a corpus of 1,300 crores, 800 crores through QIP, 150 crores through pref allotment, and New York Life has invested 49% in two of our 100% leased commercial office tower, Max Towers and Max House, which gives us another 400, to be precise, 390 crores. So this corpus of 1,300 crore will be largely deployed, predominantly deployed in adding to our development portfolio beyond 12 million square foot, meeting our guidance of 3 million square foot addition every year. So this we expect to deploy over next 12 to 18 to 24 months at max. And as far as New York Life is concerned, we are delighted to have New York Life, not just as shareholder in the listco, 23-24%. New York Life is our platform partner for entire commercial office portfolio. With this 49% acquisition of Max Towers and Max House, in entire commercial office portfolio, now they are 49% partner at a SPV level, at a project level. And New York Life is very bullish on India, real estate, and our partnership. And we expect to grow investment from New York Life as we expand our commercial office portfolio.
Rishi, just one last bit. The actual you'll start booking actual revenues on the P&L only FI. I mean the full flow will only start FI. Yeah, 27, 28, right? That's when the numbers will all start to show up, right?
That's right.
So do you have any sense on what those numbers will how they will progress? I mean, just a broad sense. You're not giving near-term guidance. Maybe you can look far into the future. That's not near-term. So, yeah, go on.
So if you look at what we have already done, if you look at our annuity potential of 450 to 500 crore, if you look at the booking value that we have already announced, 1,800 followed by 4,800 to 55 to 5,600 crore, all of this will start translating into revenue once the possession kicks in. So from a 3 to 5 year perspective, one can look at a total top line in excess of 7,500, 8,000 crore, roughly, broadly speaking. That would be a rough guidance from a top line perspective.
So we're in 25, 26, 27, by FY 28?
29, 30.
Okay, FY29, FY29 or FY30?
Yeah, FY29. Yeah, FY29.
Okay. 7,500 to 8,000 crores in top line, basically, right?
Correct.
Okay, got it. Rishi, great speaking with you. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it here on CNBC TV18. Good luck, and we'll continue to track sort of new project launches and further developments at Max. I think.